Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart at 6 a.m. Eastern Time on the 23rd of July 2017. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? Please forgive my voice at the moment. It's a bit difficult for me to speak, but I still want to put this video out for you. So what you see before you is the dollar index wound back to the end of last week on the daily chart. We said last week that we were sitting in demand here and we may move to the upside, but the odds were still greater on a continuation of the move to the downside. So let's see how the market played out last week. So on Monday, the market bounced a little bit from the demand zone we were in. And on Tuesday, we continued moving to the downside. On Wednesday, we moved slightly to the upside. And on Thursday, we moved up to this supply zone that was formed during the week and then continued moving to the downside. And on Friday, we continued moving to the downside. So this is where we are at the end of last week. So the question is this: where is the dollar likely to go next this week? So we've cleared below the demand zone that we were in. So it's most likely that we'll continue moving to the downside, although we may bounce and move to the upside. So let's take a look at the larger time frames to see what's happening here. So if we look on the weekly chart, we can see we actually cleared below this area here, and we have our next demand zone. We have something over here, but really down here is where the demand is. So we're most likely to continue moving down to this area. If we do move to the upside, then we may move back up to this zone and then maybe continue moving to the downside. But the odds are still on the continuation of the move to the downside. Now, if we take a look at the monthly chart, you can see we're moving back into this monthly demand. This monthly demand is not particularly strong demand, and it's most likely that we're going to continue moving through it, albeit we're in demand after we're on a 5th month down, so we may move to the upside, and we may get supported by this demand as well, albeit the odds are that we continue moving to the downside, but we are after a number of months down into demand, so therefore the odds of bouncing are there. It could bounce, but still I think that the odds are still greater on a continuation of a move to the downside and eventually a break of this demand and a move down. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. If you'd like to sign up to our live trading room, then I'll leave the link below this video. You can actually watch us in action live every day, analyze the market, set up trades, and take trades live in the room. And you'll learn a tremendous amount from watching us trade live. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel at the end, and then you'll get an email every time we release a new video. And wish you the best of luck with your trading this week. Thank you.